is a podcast of the formative quiz examples to support Activity 3. And we're asked to consider a sample of 5 male smokers and 7 male non-smokers. So we can represent this in a table. So M standing for male, we have, and S standing for smokers. We have 5 male smokers, 7 non-smokers. Amongst females, we have 1 female smoker and 8 female non-smokers. And in part A, we're asked what proportion of smokers is male. So we're only interested in this row of data here, smokers, and the proportion that are male is therefore equal to 5, this number of males, divided by a total number of smokers, which is 6. Second part of A, we're asked the ratio of female to male smokers. Well, we have 1 female smoker and 5 male smokers, so written as a ratio, that's 1 to 5. And part B, we're given a different sample, again of male and female smokers to consider, or different frequencies of each. So this time we've got 15 male smokers, we've got 10 female smokers, we've got 130 male non-smokers, and we have 90 female non-smokers. And we're asked which is the bigger proportion, male smokers or female smokers. Well, proportion of female smokers, or proportion of females who are smokers, is 10 out of 100. 10 smokers out of a total of 100 females. So 10 over 100 is the same as 1 in 10. Because we can cancel 1 0 top and bottom because it's 1 upon 10. And the proportion of male smokers is 15 upon 145. That's got 15 male smokers and a total number of 145 males altogether. So here we would like to simplify this fraction to make it more readily comparable with 1 upon 10, or we could use the hint in the given in the question that says if A divided by B, or the fraction A upon B, is less than the fraction C upon D, then A upon B divided by C upon D would be less than 1 in value. Conversely, if A upon B is greater than C upon D, then A upon B divided by C upon D would would be greater than 1 in volume. So we don't necessarily have to simplify this. We could just look at the ratio of the two fractions, and it's worth noting that this one, since it's a tenth, is going to be easy to divide into the other one. So probably the easiest way to look at the ratio of the two is to take 15/145 and divide that by the other 1/10. Now, if we divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the inverse of the fraction. So we divide by 1/10, that's the same as multiplying by 10/1. So, and 10/1 is just 10, so we just write it as 10. 15 times 10 is 150. And 145 stays as 145, but clearly 150 over 145 is greater than 1, and therefore we can conclude that since if we divide by 1/10, or that's to say a smaller fraction than the original, and we get a value greater than 1, which we have, then we can conclude that 15/145 has a greater value than 1/10.